Welcome in this video. So here we are going to discuss about some quick tips to score well in composition. This is specially for class 10 students for ICSE. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to score 20 upon 20 in composition. Yes, it is definitely possible. Some students ask me like, ma'am, can I really get full marks on composition? Is it even possible? Yes, it is definitely possible that we can get full marks. At least in the worst case scenario, we can get 16 or 17 in composition if we follow these proper tips and practice. Okay, so let's see. So in tip number 1, we can see that we should omit writing boring composition. Okay students, now think that अगर आप लोग कोई boring novel या फिर boring story पढ़ते हो तो further आपको वो interest नहीं रहेगा कि further आप उसे continue करो. So think about the point of view of the examiner. Examiner will also want to read the plot which is very crisp और इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, अदरवाइज वो आपको एवरेज मार्क्स भी दे सकते हैं. सो वी शुड अवॉइड राइटिंग बोरिंग कॉम्पोजिशन. नंबर 2, देयर शुड बी ओरिजिनलिटी इन राइटिंग. Some students they copy many instance or plot from other story, popular story or other novel. That is not correct. We should maintain the originality in writing. Okay, I'm mainly talking about the story writing. I will come to this in the next part. Number 3 is content matter must be enough. This is very important student. कुछ student ऐसे करते हैं कि हाफ पेज लिख के सोचते हैं फिर क्या लिखेंगे. That is not the correct way. 20 marks is there in the essay student. So at least we should write 1.5 page or 2 page. Okay, depending on the handwriting you have. Next, point number 3, very important, is we should acquire more words. That is, we should develop our vocabulary. Okay, we can develop our vocabulary by reading many interesting novel, or we can also read the newspaper. This is very efficient student, because if you develop a good vocabulary, this will give you a good confidence also, okay, in writing. So some efficient books also I can recommend. If you really want, you can comment also and let me know. Next is tip number 5. You should know your personality and type. Like in the essay I will discuss further, you will see that you have many types. So many students have different personality also. Like some student can describe a certain thing very well, so they can opt for descriptive type of composition. Some students are of imaginative type, so they can opt for imaginative or imagination or story writing. That's all. Next, some students are very argumentative type. Like मैं ऐसे मतलब I have seen many students who are giving proper reason to any question. Okay, so they can argue anything, or they want to know. They are very practical in nature, so they can opt for the argumentative type. Okay, next is tip number 6. This is very important students. Like हम लोगों को 15 minutes reading time दिया जाता है, right? So उसमें से हम लोग try करेंगे कि 6 to 7 minutes टॉपिक हम चूज करेंगे composition का. Okay, so students, we should devote at least our 6 to 7 minutes to decide on which topic we should write. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि कुछ wrong decide करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ गए और फिर हम लोगों ने सोचा कि no, I can opt for this imaginative type. तो हम लोगों को वो स्ट्राइक करना पड़ेगा, फिर कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा. सोचो कितना wrong impression होगा to the examiner, okay, who will check. So we should avoid doing that and choose our topic very carefully. Next we have tip number 7. So tip number 7 is Basically, attempt composition at the beginning. This is my personal tip. Like, I would like the students to attempt the composition at the beginning with a fresh mind. Okay, so that will enhance their imagination, their story writing, or the thing or the composition they will attempt. Next is tip number 8. Practice the topic of the 10 years. Okay. So students, I think you are following the 10 years properly. You will see that there are many topics in composition given. So first you decide that which topic you are going to write. Okay, that is depending on your personality, which I told. So after that you can practice those topics from the 10 years. If you are lucky, you will get one common also. But this will help you to decide that which essay you can write well, or what are the things that you should improve also. Next we have tip 9, that is read, read and read. The reading can magically remove your fear in English. Okay, all the difficulty in English. So reading is tip number 9. This will definitely improve your writing. Tip number 10 is proper presentation should be there. That is, the clarity of words, letters should be there, and no short form should be used. Okay, like some of the students, they write M in such a way that it looks like N. So there is no clarity. Then the teacher will also not be able to give proper marks. And also there should be no spelling mistake. Like if the teacher is or the examiner is lenient, he or she will overlook at least 2-3 spelling mistakes. But after that your marks will be deducted. So you should present your composition in a proper manner. Some of the students I have seen writes in a very wrong way, or I can say that their writing is not proper. So for that students, please dear student, practice writing as much as you can, because otherwise you will not be able to fetch proper marks. Next is, let's see a year paper of 2020, that what type of questions can come. Okay, so number 1, write an original short story in which 2 children and their grandfather are the main character. So this number A should be attempted by the students who are very imaginative type. Okay, and you see that original short story is given. So no story that you are copying from another plot should be there. Some of the students I have seen that they have copied the story or the poem Old Blenheim. Okay, you have won that after Blenheim. So there also it has a similar plot, that one grandfather and 2 children. Okay, so you should not copy any story. Originality should be maintained. Okay. Number B is closed circuit television must be installed in every classroom. Give your views either for or against this statement. This is for the student who are argumentative in nature. Okay, so if you think that you can give proper reason, or you have that ability to argue or give a proper logic or presentation, then you must attempt this type of essay. Number C, your class had to conduct a morning assembly. Write an account of how you prepared for it, what your roles was, and what you gained from the experience. This is the thing. Look at this essay properly. Here you will see that 3 parts are there. That is, write an account of how you prepared for it, one part. Number 2, write what your role was. That is, what your role was in the morning assembly and what you gained from the experience. This is the 3rd part. So students, आप लोग क्या करोगे, ये तीनों चीजों में, तीनों पार्ट में इक्वल लिखोगे. It should not be like this कि write an account of how you prepared it, इसमें आप बहुत सारा लिख दिए, या फिर उसके बाद वाला जो है like what your role was, इसमें आप बहुत कम लिखे हो, so that will not fetch you enough marks. Okay, so तीनों चीजों में आपको बराबरी से लिखना पड़ेगा. Number D is summers are becoming hotter with each passing year. Write a description of one such very hot day. What did you see and hear as you walked outside? How were birds and animals affected? So यहाँ पर भी आप देखो कि तीनों चीजें करेक्टली आपको दिया हुआ है कि आपको क्या डिस्क्राइब करना पड़ेगा. So students who are very descriptive in nature must go for this number D. Then we have one interesting thing, that is the picture composition. Now, for picture composition, one thing we must remember that in the picture composition, different interpretation can be there. Okay, like अगर हम इसको interpret करें तो हमारा कुछ different interpretation होगा, या फिर examiner का कुछ different interpretation होगा. डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट का डिफरेंट इंटरप्रिटेशन हो सकता है ये पिक्चर को देख के. सो इट इज माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन टू नॉट अटेम्प्ट दिस पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन. ओके, इफ यू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट ओके आई कैन इंटरप्रेट इट करेक्टली and I can write about it correctly, then go for it. But my suggestion will be that if you are not much sure about the composition and the picture, then don't go for it. As you can see that it is clearly given that the picture and the composition must have a clear connection. Okay, so it does not or it must not happen that you are trying to interpret something from the picture and the examiner is trying to interpret other thing from the picture. Then you will get a clear negative or the 0 mark. Okay. This is some more quick tips that you can follow. So your exam is knocking the door, so this thing is very important for you. Like number 1, introduction must be brief, like not too large or not too small. कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे करते हैं कि इंट्रोडक्शन इतना ज्यादा लिख देते हैं, उसके बाद कंटेंट छोटा हो जाता है. ऐसे नहीं हो सकते. ओके, सो द कंटेंट मैटर शुड बी करेक्ट. हम इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ा बहुत लिख के जल्दी से टॉपिक में जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. नंबर 2 इज पैराग्राफ मस्ट बी शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प. ओके, द पैराग्राफ दैट वी आर राइटिंग दैट मस्ट बी वेरी क्रिस्प एंड टू द पॉइंट. Number 3 is never use short form. You must have enough content matter. So we should not use the local language or the short form. That will create a very negative impression. Okay. Number 4 is avoid grammatical and spelling mistake. This also create bad impression. This I already have told you. So all the best student. I hope you like this video and please follow this quick tips also to fetch good marks. Thank you students. Please like and share my video if you like it. This is from Newton Gate Success Strategies. For more details you can contact us.